Here's the noon update for January 8th, 2013 on the S&P 30-day 1-minute chart. Looks like we got, this would be at best be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2. This is a zigzag wave 2. It would find support around 1449 and then retrace back over 1465, setting up a third wave. The worst case scenario, though, is that this turns into a full corrective 2, which would test as low as 1425. But I'm kind of throwing that scenario to the side right now. There's a chance, but it's not a really big chance because the zigzag looks like a mild 2. Looks like ABC right at, well, for now it was 1453, which is A equals C, but 1449 is the previous 4. So you got to find support there. And yeah, there is a possibility they've got a full wave too. They're back to like around 1425, which is 0.618 of the move from 1397 to around 1467. But if that does happen, here's what I'm doing. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm waiting to see how far this is going to drop, and if there's any bounce here around 1449 level, then it would need to break 1465 to set up a third wave. And for the Dow, we might have wave 1 and a zigzag wave 2. We actually broke through the previous 4. Worst case scenario is dropped down to 13,100, around 0.618 of the entire move from 12,875 to the peak a couple days ago. But for now, it looks like a simple zigzag, and it's ready to A equals C right now in the Dow. But in order for this retracement correction to be completed, it would need to take out at least 13,425. Maybe today. For Nasdaq, looks like a same thing. Wave 1 zigzag, wave 2. A equals C would be about 3070 in the Nasdaq, so still about 7 more points to go. But if you can hold that level and rally back over 3110, that would set up a third wave. Worst case scenario is a 0.618 and full 0.618 back to as low as around 3020 in the Nasdaq, and yeah, that would fill the gap. But I'm not into gap filling, but if it were to fill the gap, that would probably do it. But in either case, though, 3110 is the number that I would probably start entering after this corrective wave completes, and there is a possibility that this retracement gets deeper, but for now it just looks like a simple zigzag in all 3 indices. That's a wrap.